Hello and welcome to Delta Hosting's Fivem server setup. In this tutorial we'll check out how to get a free Fivem server on the Delta server hosting. Starting off with, when you start, you go to control panel.deltaserverhosting.de, then create an account. For this tutorial we already have a tutorial account created. Then do the captcha. This is how it will look. You create a server, we already have a server allocated, so we'll skip that. So just go to the panel.deltaserverhosting.de, then log in with the account you just created. No, yeah, we don't have any. I need to allocate the server again. Okay, now with the server installed, we'll be setting up a server with TXadmin. So normally, if you are not using TXadmin, here you would put your license, here you would put your server name, here is the TXadmin port, which we need to change. Create allocation, copy this, paste it here. We will enable TXadmin for this tutorial. Now go to console, start. Just wait till it starts. Okay, now hit the TXadmin button, type in the code, then type a backup password. You can save it if you want. Then hit next. This is the server name, so let's just then deployment type. For us, we'll do the basic ESX server. So Zap hosting ESX back, because it's the basic ESX server that was made by Zap hosting, but it doesn't matter. Then the location, we'll save it as is. Then go to the recipe deployer. Now here you press next, and here you need to get a license key and a Steam Web API key. The Steam Web API key you get from steam.community.com/dev/API key. I will input mine later. And the license key. The license key you obtain in the keymaster.fivem site. So you sign in, you see it, you go to your key. For this tutorial we will just register a new one. So server type, pre-installed game server, Delta host, the initial server IP. For the initial server IP, we need to go to the Delta hosting. What's it called? To Delta hosting server, and go to the bot channel and type / and your node, for us it will be D2. Enter, and here's the IP to set for the S, and then captcha, and then select. Oh, bruh. So let's just put in dedicated server. You put dedicated server here, not pre-installed game server. It won't just work. Then you just copy the key. Then show/hide database options, and here you put in the database info. So go here, create a new database. Database name will be for us tutorial, and then copy the endpoint, paste it here without the port on the end, which we just deleted. Username, you get it from here, put it here. Password, database name, which is here, and then run recipe. While you're waiting for the download process to finish, it's a pretty quick download. Now hit next. Now save and run server. There you go. We just created a basic ESX based server. Now I just gotta stop it and put my key because I didn't put it.
In the west, racking up on my bread, power on me. I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest all night long. She putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Cleaning up my lines, it's anything but the best. Hey girl, the cutest that I see. So bad I'm not using my Visine. Gotta get it like Leon and I'm a Lycee. So beautiful like it in my dreams. Hey boom, hollering at you. Not rude, I'm just trying to be your dude.
Before I put the API key in, you also get to change the endpoint, which is here, to your server port, which you can find right here, 212100 for me. Ooh. Now that we did all of that, we set up our server, we can finally go ahead, copy this AP, then go to Fivem, wait for Fivem to update. And restart the server because we did some changes, changing the endpoint. So we can prepare the connect command. Now let's just wait for the server to start, it will be pretty quick. Yeah, see? Enter. Then we need to restart Fivem because it's run on an older version of GTA 5. Let's connect to the server again. Let's just wait for the server to load in. Now that the server has started, you can see the server is completely working. We can create a character, give it a height, give it a skin, and everything. Chat is working. You have the /me command, everything. So this is it. So like we can say, this is it for this tutorial. Make sure to join our Discord server, link in the description. Bye!